Guys, welcome to my channel. One more time, it's Diana. In today's video, it's gonna be challenging because I'm gonna try to do a plank in 1 minute. So I'm gonna try to test and challenge my core. And so if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, follow my videos, my challenges, and my daily life. Without further ado, let's do. I never tried this. The most I've been doing is 30-second plank with break. For now, I'm gonna try to do 1 minute. I'm trying to do this so I can challenge myself, see how I feel, and see if I can do it. So let's go. All right. All right, so far I found out that I had to hold my breath, and also this is gonna hurt because I need to work on my shoulders and my core so I can hold the plank for longer. So let's go. Let's do it one more time. See that this is gonna be challenging because my arms and my core are like no. But let's try again and let's see this time I can hold it. I'm gonna do this until I do it. So let's start over. "28, 25. I can do it. I can do it. Yes. Take a deep breath. I can do it. I can do it. Use 14, 15, 10, 9, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh, yes, I made it. Oh my God. You guys might wonder why I'm doing these challenges, but one of the things is, I'm trying to focus more on discipline rather than motivation. Also, I can see if I'm doing mistakes doing these exercises, and actually I find if my strength, and it's fun for me, so I love it. Also, you can see, okay, things that look easier and you think you really can do it, then you figure it out and find out that you really cannot do it because they look easy, but actually they are not that easy. Also, I like to do this to feel it's good sometimes to be uncomfortable and try new things. So if you like my challenges, my little challenges, support me and subscribe to my channel, follow me. And if you want to try this challenge, also do it and let me know in the comments how it went. Okay, bye. See you in the next one. Peace.